hasn't caught up to you yet. Let me tell you, say, I wish I hadn't done that last night. My body was damaged and brains, but I had to do it. Get out of trouble. Trouble again, out of trouble, baby. Stop that shit, out of trouble. Trouble again, out of trouble. In the morning, almost sleeping right by your side. You're not in the bad time. Trouble comes along with the ride. Every day, you say, you say I'll do that again. And time and more energy, I will do it. I'm getting out of trouble. Trouble again. Just what do you think you gotta do? That's what you know we're gonna fail. So, really wants to see that. Appreciate it. Let me go try to go